Hi everyone, Zoe here from the Design Order. Today I'm going to take you through how to upload your brand elements into Canva's brand kit. This feature is only available on paid Canva plans, which you can trial for 30 days to test it out and see if it is the right fit for you and your business. There is a link below the video if you want to sign up and give it a try. So uploading your brand elements into your Canva account helps to make designing super easy for you, as well as adding total consistency across the board. So this is what you will see when you log into Canva for the first time, which is your home screen. The designs you create in the future will be shown here down at the base of the screen. Now to upload your elements, we are going to click on the brand kit option on the left-hand side menu on the screen. Within, you can see there's a place to upload your logos, your brand colors, and your brand fonts. So I'm going to go ahead and upload my logos. I have them saved in a folder ready to go on my desktop. I would also recommend uploading any brand stamps or other brand elements you use with your brand into this section as well. Once that's uploaded, the next thing to do is upload our brand colors. For this, you'll need to enter your hexadecimal code. Then last up, we are going to enter our brand fonts into the brand font section over here. You can assign font styles for headings, subheadings, and also body text. Some of our fonts are not included within Canva's font library, so I'm going to upload these. Navigate to the folder where the fonts are stored and just hit open. Once they have uploaded, I am now going to assign them to the different heading styles available. We use Quattro for headings, which I'm going to just type in here and choose a medium font weight. And then I'm also going to assign a size to it. I'm going to choose 88 point. It is worth noting at this point, if the sizing is not quite right, once you start designing, you can always come back and change these sizes if you find that they are not right. Assigning sizing and font styles will help to bring consistency across the board when you start creating your designs in Canva. So I picked out Montserrat for our headings, and I'm also going to go and pick that for our body font as well. Okay, now once that's all saved in there, this is where the fun starts, as we can go and apply it to some new designs. Today, let's just create a quick Instagram post by clicking on the Instagram post option. Now that we have our colors saved in our brand kit, whenever we click on the color palette icon, you will see your color palette come up automatically at the top of the color palette tab. You can simply click on one of your preferred colors to easily add it to any element in your design. From a branding perspective, this is 100% what you need to ensure color consistency across the board. The next cool thing worth noting is now that when you want to add content to your designs, if you click on the text tab on the left-hand side, you will see your predefined heading, subheading, and body font options all ready to go to apply to your designs. You can simply click and drag them onto a page and apply them to your design. Last up, to add one of your brand elements, scroll down to the folders section on the left-hand side and click on your logos folder to access all of your branding assets that you have uploaded into your account. Because this is an Instagram post, I'm just going to choose our D stamp to add to it here. Resize, and we are done. Thanks so much for watching. You can see more over at our YouTube channel, The Design Order, where we have more awesome Canva tips and tricks that you can use to create your cool new designs.